Hello and welcome to the LS4Light channel. Today we have a simple video. The video is intended to confirm that my left hand adapter will work and that it works properly with the code that are presently on the 11 table tennis game. Um, the settings were done obviously with a right hand adapter, which I'm a right-hander. And my understanding is that once you go into the game and select that you are a left-hander person and you have an adapter for your left hand, all the settings will transfer over to your left hand and everything should work perfectly. So this video is to confirm that tracking is good with the codes that are in the game. And by tracking, I don't necessarily mean technique. By tracking, I mean if I have the paddle this way because my hand is this way, if my hand is this going this way and the paddle is moving accordingly, and when I do certain swing, I can see that all that match my movement. So let's go into the video and see if everything worked out as I expected.
Okay, I'm on pass-through mode, but I'm gonna change that to regular. Okay. That's good. They fixed the game, so now. All right, so the paddle is on my right hand here because that's where I have selected to be a right-hander player. Let me see if I can fix that. I gotta go to paddle, position, grip. What happens if I say, so the paddle is on this side, this is here, and it automatically, the paddle looks normal on my left hand, and it's handshake. Now let me see how it works, because I have no problem with it right now. I haven't added any new code. The code that is on is the code that I been using since day one, since they upgraded the system and added my new paddle. So let me just go and take a look at the code. Now my latest code is, let me find out the latest day I used this just to make sure. So it looks like it just to make sure. Yep, too many days in here. I wonder if I can erase that. So the latest code day is 7/26/2004, and the number is 292547.63. That's my latest code, which I have on this. So let me go back to the game and hit some shots. So I'm already going to show the adapter one more time. So this is the left hand controller in my left hand. And let me see what this is gonna do. Somebody's asking me to play. Oh, let me just join my fellow friends here and maybe I add him to the video.
Hi, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Hold on. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I do. But I'm making a video to test a left-hand adapter for a friend that I. So hey, no, you can stay. Yep. I'm gonna use you to test my left-hand adapter. So
okay,
I'm gonna
go to party chat or
yeah, I'm gonna go to party chat and call you, and that way you on the video right now. Let's see what happened. Here you go. Gotta call the friend here. And there we go. see. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, so I have you on on a video that I'm testing this left-hand adapter for somebody who I send an adapter. So he had an issue where calibration didn't look right. So I just came into the game with a left-hand adapter. At that time, I went to settings and I just changed my hand to left hand, and everything moved over to my left hand. So right now it looks like it's fine with regard to what he was explaining. He was like he lost tracking and stuff because I'm not quite sure exactly what was wrong. So in this video, I'm testing that, and I will probably save this video. You may show up for the public. Right now, for the moment, I want to test this. So for the moment, before our session, I want to finish this video and come back in with my right hand. But for now, since you're here, I want you to hit the ball, and I can try to hit it with my left hand, see if I got good tracking. Anywhere. I'm just gonna try to act. Don't worry, I'll get to it. Now remember, I'm right-handed, not left-handed, so I mean that's fine. I just want to show that this thing does work, but my thing is that I won't be able to be the best player. Yeah. I just gotta get better. Here you go. So continue. Oops, it's just me hitting it. Hit it with my left hand. Let's see what happened. Okay, again. Yeah, keep hitting. Yeah, keep hitting to my left hand to see if I can get my left hand to be. Oof, nice. This is real ping pong right now, playing with a partner and testing the left hand adapter to see if it has bad tracking or not. But for the moment, just remember, I'm not a left-handed player, so I will miss many shots. I'm trying my best. But so far, except for me not being a left-handed player, it looks, yeah, go ahead, try it again. Well, you can see, I'll pick it up. I'm getting used to. Go ahead, hit me hard. I mean, not hard. I'm getting the hang of my left hand a little bit. Let's swing like this. Okay. Yeah, so far I don't think. I mean, for me not to be a left-handed player, I think Tagan is doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna speak to him, send him a message, and tell him that I tested, and I'm gonna send him this video. I just don't, even so, just in case I'm gonna make you famous. You're gonna be on TV. Yeah. Go ahead, one more time, and then I'm gonna end the video. I don't find any error right now, so I'm not exactly sure if he's having software error instead of. So I'm not good at all with my left yet. So, but so far, from my perspective, from what I see, tracking is not bad. It's just me bad playing with my left hand. So one more thing, what I'm gonna do now, again, yeah, try it fast. Try one more. Let's see if I can do it twice. One more. Again. One more. Okay, one more time. Yeah, I'll get in there. Okay, again. I'm just getting warmed up. Here you go. See? Continue hitting my left. Again. Until I can get that swing back. Here you go. Whoa. Do it again. Whoa, look at that. I'm lefty. I don't doubt it. The adapter has the same orientation as when it's on my right hand. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now because it'll go too long. I'm gonna have to cut it and edit it a little bit. Yeah, so well, for now I think it's good because right now, first of all, I'm holding my hand straight up in my face and it looks flat to me. I'm holding it, you know, this is the way the adapter is supposed to be held. Like this is the bottom part and this is the front of it. So right now, anything I do, I don't see that the rocket is misplaced. Well, that was my thought yesterday night, that he maybe was holding it backward this way, so the face was away from the lens. Exactly. So I will speak to him today and let him know that I tested with the code that I have, the code that is in the game. In fact, if you select, I selected the code in the game when I was on my right hand. All I had to do when I entered the game with the left hand controller was go to the game setting and say I'm lefty, and everything moved over to this side, and I didn't have to change any orientation, any calibration. And right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the settings, go to calibration, so the controller can show the way it looks within the paddle. That way when he's testing it and he goes in, he's gonna see that if everything looks like in this video, he should be good. Now exactly, yeah, well, so remember, I may share this video in YouTube and that way. Okay, I'll be out in a minute. Let me just go back to setting. If you want, you can exit the room if you like. I just want to go to setting to show the adapter the way it looks on the paddle, which is the same way that it looks on my right hand. But I'll meet you in a minute, okay? So I was playing with a friend. We normally get together on Saturday. I call him the sensei. He's my sensei. He had taught me a lot of how to play, especially because we kind of have a good conversation, and at the end of the day, he is very patient. So I learned from his patience. So I call him sensei. So just in case, I went to calibration. When you go to calibration, you're gonna see the way the adapter look on the paddle is basically the same way that the adapter it is in the physical adapter. So the controller in the physical adapter will resemble this orientation. Now this orientation also is calibrated to maximize the area that you hit with the controller, because you can have this look this way and it still don't be having good tracking because the controller could be too far out, too far up, too far down. However, I won't change it because right now it works fine. Now I'm gonna switch this to my right hand and do the same, so you can see that it just gonna switch side, the paddle, but it's gonna switch side, but the controller should be facing the wrong way. Let's try that. So go to position, grip, I think. I'll change it to right hand. Now, well, unfortunately, this is where the paddle is, the adapter with the controller, so you can see, and this is where my regular controller is in my hand. So this is why. Another thing you can tell is that, let me see if I can show that. See, my controller is in my hand as you normally would hold it. And if you remember what you saw on this side, right, the controller, when it's standing up this way, which is holding the paddle, resemble the way the controller is in my hand, which is this way. Look, perfect match. I can actually play with this way too. Let me try that. Can I toss a ball with this? Let me see. Oh, okay. Nope. Okay, this is all for now. I just wanted to make sure that everything is good with the code in the game, and that the adapter, if you got a right hand and a left hand adapter, all you need to do is go to the game and switch hands. And I will demonstrate that one more time. Go to paddle, grip. If you're right-hander, your adapter will be here, obviously, with the controller showing your drive orientation. If you're left-hander, you just click left hand and it'll switch the paddle here. And as you can see, my hands is flat right now. I can go to pass-through mode and it will resemble the same way. Let me see if I can do that. You see, had it flat. You can, I don't know if you'll be able to see the video. Now when I go back to the game, and exactly that's the way the paddle should look. So far so good. I hope this video helped anybody who has a LS4Live adapter. If you're right-hander, if you're left-handed, the code is part of the game and it should work fine. If you have any problem, I can give you the code that I have right now, which is also the same code that should be in the game, and you should be fine. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you at the game. LS4Live out.